In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Everweb version 3.5.1. Although this is primarily a maintenance and stability release, there are some great new features and enhancements to enjoy. So let's get started. If you're using widgets that include an assets list, you can now select multiple rows in the list and adjust the settings for all of the selected assets at the same time. For example, in the FlexBox widget, you can now change the maximum width to a different value for all the selected objects in the objects list at the same time, rather than having to change each embedded object individually. To select a continuous list of items, select the first object in the list that you want, hold down the Shift key, then select the last item in the list. Once all of the items are selected, you can apply the change that you want. To select list items that are not in a continuous list, click on the first item in the list that you want, then hold down the Command key and click on all the other items in the list that you want to include. As you may already know, you can use Quick Look with assets in the Assets tab. Just select the asset you want to view, then press the spacebar. In Everweb version 3.5.1, you can once again use the up and down arrows to immediately view the previous or next asset in the list. And in addition, this feature is also supported in widget asset lists, such as in the responsive image gallery widget. The FlexBox Widgets widget settings have been reorganized and now include button border color and border radius settings in both normal and hover modes. You can now also set a maximum width for the button itself, and there's an additional option to set the opacity of the background color of the button. The search field widget now uses the page's file name in search results if the web page description field has not been filled in, so you will no longer see no title headings in your search results set. If you're adding keywords into the keyword section of the search engine optimization section of the page settings tab, just type in your list, separating each word or phrase with a comma. Press enter when finished, and the list will become separate keyword items. Alternatively, copy and paste your pre-prepared list into the field, then press enter to finish. The list will sort itself out into separate items. You can also use this feature for blog post keywords. You can also now double-click on a master page object in a regular page to be taken directly to the master page itself. And finally, check out our blogs for a full list of fixes that come with this release.